how to create Instagram ads. This is going to be an Instagram ads tutorial for beginners, but if you're an experienced person who's done advertising on Instagram, it might be a good reminder and a couple things that I'm going to share in order for you to do this effectively. Okay, so let's dive right into it. I'm going to show you two different ways in order to create these Instagram ads. I'm going to show you one really quick way, and then I'm going to go into the meta, how to run an Instagram ad exactly from there. So step number one, if you want to do it directly on the Instagram platform, you're going to have less capabilities on what you can potentially do. And it's not being as effective, where if you do go to the ads manager page and set it up, you're going to have a lot more functionality in what you could potentially do. But here's the real quick and easy way in order for you to start an Instagram ad. So say right here, this is a really nice video that we created for a real estate listing. When I do make it go live and I want to get some more awareness and get some more people to be viewing this property, I would just hit this boost. It'll take me to this Meta Business Suite. So right here, are you wanting to get more messages? Are you wanting to get more profile visits? Are you wanting to get more visitors to your website? So for this one, I'm probably going to be shooting for getting more visitor websites, so people who can go to our website, or I'd potentially go for messages where people are shooting me messages on how much, like some more details on this property. So they're going to be a little bit different for each one. One's going to say send message. One's going to have for them to go visit your profile. If you see here on the ad preview, when it pops up, visit Instagram profile. And then the next one will have your website there when you click get more website visits. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to go get more website visits. I'm going to let the ad creative, so leverage Instagram's data to automatically deliver the ad creative and variations to people we likely know or perform. Their data is amazing and they're definitely going to kill it. Special ad categories. So mine does apply to this because I am in housing, which means it'll limit the amount of audience that I can do. My real estate portfolio, my Instagram account there is linked. And then you set into your scheduling. So for this one, if you want it to run for 7 days, you set it there. And then this will be $3 a day. So you're estimated to reach around from 1.6 to 4.5 thousand people accounts reach per day. And then do advanced placement. Then you have to install a payment method and hit publish. That's literally the most quick and easiest way in order for you to do an Instagram ad directly on the Instagram app in itself, where you make yourself a post and then you put it out there, and then you can just hit that boost and you can choose a couple different ones if you're targeted to whatever message that you want. So now let's do it if you were to set up a ad campaign in your Meta Ads Manager account. So things that you have to know is you have to have your Instagram connected correctly. You do have to have a Facebook business page registered and have your Instagram connected to that. So those are just a few things that you have to make sure you have set up correctly when you're going to start running these ads. So yeah, you want to make sure that you have all your account settings set up correctly, all the pages set up correctly that are going to be linked to your account here. And then make sure you go into exactly which one that you're wanting. Some of the stuff seems a little mundane. You have to do a couple workarounds to get to everything there. And then put in the correct payment setting to get everything going. And you can name some templates and stuff like that. But let's go to the actual campaigns here in order for you to dive in. So once you have all that stuff set up correctly and you have your Instagram set up correctly, we are going to create a campaign. So this totally depends on what you're going to be doing. Are you wanting to get awareness for yourself on Instagram? Are you wanting to develop more traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, or sales? So as you can see on the behind the scenes here, you're going to get way more campaign objectives setting it up on the Meta Ads account. So we're going to shoot for leads. We're going to manually make the leads campaign. The tailored leads campaign is good, but I like to have full control over it, and I feel like I can target better. So say provide business. I'm going to be making this for Kelowna Homes for Sale will be the campaign name. I'm going to be a special ad category, so I'm going to go to housing. Everything else you don't have to change here at all. You go Kelowna for Sale. So what are we looking for? So on mine, I'm going to be generating leads. So I'm going to do an instant lead form in order for people to get an instant lead form so I can capture their information and hit them up. Facebook page. So this is where I enter in my correct Facebook page. So this is my Facebook business page. Don't have to worry about maximum number of leads or set a cost per lead. Let it identify you for you. like I said, a lot of these things are going to be specific to the type of leads that you're running. If you're doing e-com, well, then having a cost per result might make sense. But for me, I let Facebook's algorithm and all the data that they have just do the learning, and they seem to perform the best. Here's where you can set your daily budget on your ads, budget and scheduling. I don't mess with this here. Facebook and Instagram know really well when to show certain things to your audience, so I don't do any budget scheduling here. And then your audience, depending on what type of ads you're creating, like I'm in the special ad category for real estate, I can't do much detailed targeting there. But if you were wanting to target certain audiences, like I have these custom audiences made on the back end of my account. But here's the placement. So this is where if you're specifically just wanting to do Instagram ads, you go into the manual placement. You'll click on Instagram here and you'll go on feeds. So you can eliminate some of the, you're going to want it an Instagram feed. You're going to turn off anything on Facebook. And you're just going to go down on here. Search, I usually turn it completely off. Boom. So right there, you have everything primary towards Instagram. Then you hit next. Okay, so you want to make sure you have the correct Instagram account linked, and this will be Kelowna for sale. And now you just design your ads. So say if I was wanting to do how I'm a new real estate agent, if I wanted people to see my beautiful face and get that out there as an awareness campaign, then I would. But for this one particular, we are wanting to do lead generation. So then we're going to go into and edit media. So right here, here's a campaign that I ran for Kelowna homes for sale with pool. So we'll use this as the ad creative just as an example for you. So here's where Facebook really does a great job optimizing for all this. As you can see, this is how it's going to show up on Instagram and all the accounts there. So primary text, this is where you're going to identify what you're wanting your ad to say. I would say put some emojis in there. Boom goes the dynamite. Get a list of homes with pools under 1.5 million. So this falls in line with exactly what our ad's creating. We're going to go learn more instead of sign up. Then you can go in here and create a custom form page. So as you can see, I've already created quite a few different ones that are going to make what you want people to fill out. So I'll make one with you guys here so you can see. I'll call this Kelowna for sale again so I can keep track of it. What are we wanting? We're wanting more volume, higher intent, rich creative. I would say if you're just starting out, you want to go more volume, and then sequence is there. Okay, so intro. What is going to be the headline? Pool homes for sale in Kelowna under 1.5 million. Get a list of all directly to your email. Beauty. Okay, let's go to questions here. So right here, we're going to do fill out your information to receive the list of homes. Okay, let's add phone number. So in mine, I have this all synced to my CRM so I can track people. I want their phone number because that's how I'm going to call them and get in touch. Privacy policy. So right here, if you go on your website, you're going to have to put your privacy policy down here. Blank, paste, and then you just call it privacy policy. Okay. And then thank you, all set. You can now visit the website. I'm probably going to say to view the list of homes, click the link below. And then for this, you want to make sure your landing page is right in target with what you're trying to do. So one of the worst things that I see people do who make these ads is they're not actually tailored specifically to what people are searching for. So for here, it's homes under 1.5 million with a pool in Kelowna. I'm going to search this again. Here are the listings that came up with that. So people are going to get exactly what they're looking for. I'm going to add the link here. Call to action would be Perfect. I'd create the form. Awesome. So now that is exactly how you'd make an Instagram ad. So this is what's going to pop up here on your forms. Taking all people through there. Looks nice and juicy. Going to get a ton of clicks. You hit publish. And now that's exactly how you make a Instagram ad. So I went over exactly with you on the easy way on making an Instagram ad where you can do it directly in the app. And then I went over exactly how you can do it on the ads meta account there on the back end, where you have way more control and way more functions that you can do to maximize your Instagram ads. So if you have any trouble with setting up your Instagram ads and you're getting a little lost, just drop some comments down below. I'll make sure to reply to all you people so I can help out in any way.